Hello traders, Bank Nifty future 1 minute chart. Every day in this chart, it will analyze the market movement every 1 minute candle. It will analyze every 1 minute candle and generate live market calls. It's an automatic buy sell signal generator. We can say it like that also. Today after 9:45, we have received, today's means Friday market May 19th. After 9:45, we have received a sell call. So red color candle is open. Whenever market trend changes, you will receive candle color like this, different color. So red color for sell trend, green color for buy trend. When trend changes, you will receive calls in live market. It will automatically analyze and generate calls in live market. Today we have received sell call at sell at 43,765, that is our entry point line. Straight white line from red color candle, that is our entry point line. Below our first target, second target line, above line is the stop loss line. First target range is more than a 110 point range, 43,656. Within 10 minutes of the sell call generated, it successfully break out the first target range. Like this, today sell call generated and break out the first target, but market was in continuous bearish momentum. Due to that bearish momentum, it successfully break out the second target also. More than a 200 point momentum during this 9:45 call. If you want to subscribe for this chart, if you want this chart, send me a hi message in WhatsApp. We'll provide you the plan detail. If you feel like it, you can subscribe for it. Thank you.